Hello everyone, I'm Kim Hana, your Korean friend. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 김하나입니다. 여러분 한국 친구입니다. Today we start animals name in Korean. So today I'll explain you related animal words and phrases and count animals in Korean in detail, short and easy way. Where does that animal live? Do they fly? Do they swim? This bonus list of related vocab will help you answer that. Plus, if you need someone to come feed your dog while you are away, you will definitely want to remember 먹을 주다. 먹을 주다. But before starting, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram Kim Hana Class. 동물원, 수족관, 숲, 늪, 동토대, 북극, 사막. If you want to write this, then pause the video. 대조원, 열대우림, 인어, 조개, 산호, 대양, 해변. If you want to write this, then pause the video. 깃털, 털, 아가미, 새집, 새장, 개집, 개침대. If you want to write this, then pause the video. 고양이 침대, 긁다, 수영하다, 하다, 날다, 먹이를 주다. If you want to write this, then pause the video. And now we will start how to count animals in Korean. In Korean, you use the counter mari to count the number of animals. You attach it to the Korean number. For example, 개가 두 마리 있어요. 개가 두 마리 있어요. I have two dogs. Second, 기레고 새가 한 마리 있어요. 기레고 새가 한 마리 있어요. I also have one bird. If you want to write this, then pause the video. Congratulations, you have now learned all related animal words and phrases and how to count animals in Korean. Obviously, it will take time and practice to master in animal words and phrases and count animals. But if you memorize the following word, you will be able to pronunciation correctly. Now in the next video, we will start Bachim. So stay tuned. 감사합니다. 안녕.